Hi, I'm Staley Weidman. I'm the listing broker of Princess Hera Lagoon 620, located here in Fort Lauderdale. Princess Hera has an extremely motivated seller who's ready to move on to their next yacht purchase. She's being offered at a very, very low price. Currently, she is priced as the lowest priced Lagoon 620 in the world right now. It's located in Fort Lauderdale, easy to access and show. The boat's super clean and has had all of its recent service that's required completed and is ready for its next owner. D3 with 150 horsepower. This is the largest upgrade available in this model. All the service work's been done. Belts, impellers, fuel, filters, oil change, totally serviced. This is the fifth cabin on this boat. It's only accessible from the deck. Great cabin for people who like to go to bed late or get up very early, and has direct access here to the deck, so you can go for a swim and retire to your cabin. So on Princess Hera, there's a lift here. This is quite a nice ramp. This allows the ability to fold out and either board a dinghy or a dock with a wheelchair, or just for the convenience of having the ramp. There's also an additional fitting that attaches to the side of the ramp here to go to a dock, and another fitting that attaches here to the side to go to a dinghy that's tied to the back of the boat here. On the other side, there's another lift. These are all marinized, made out of stainless steel. These fold down to raise up to the deck level. Come out and fold out, for example. The same type of structure is set up here to go up to the Flybridge. And there's a lift here that goes, that folds out, lifts all the way up to the Flybridge, and then goes out onto the Flybridge. Once again, if none of this equipment's needed, it can be removed. It's about $400,000 in value for the engineering and structure and design. It's all stainless steel, marinized hydraulic actuators. When not in use, there's a step here to go up to the Flybridge, and we can go up to the Flybridge now. Flybridge of the 620 Princess Hera. We've got upholstered seating, a table that goes up and down. There's a fridge in this compartment here for drinks. Top loading. This is some exercise equipment. It's also removable. We've got all electric winches here. sun lounger pad there. Brand new mainsail installed. Sail cover coming for it. We've got engine controls here, electronic. Bow thruster controls. All the marine electronics have been recently replaced. All the Marine here. We've got a satellite dome here for television. And here you can see the top of the extra reinforced davits. These are designed to carry a much larger and heavier dinghy than originally designed from the manufacturer. The current owner had a 21-foot hard bottom inflatable on the back here with a 140. It's not available with the boat, but it gives you an example of how big of a dinghy is possible to carry with the upgraded davit system. There's also a set of engine controls down below at the nav station, so the boat can be operated from the inside of the boat under power. Dining tables fold up to make either coffee or cafe height tables. These are electrically actuated to raise and lower depending on versatility of the salon space. And they individually articulate either up or down to make a cafe or coffee table height. Inside helm station on Princess Hera with electronic controls inside. Another display for chart plotter, radar, all the navigation instruments, updated Marine displays, and the control for the satellite television. And then here's a Bose Lifestyle sound system for surround sound throughout the salon. Hera is a very rare Lagoon 620 Galley up configuration. This module was custom fitted with a flat screen TV in the back. Here you have a microwave, propane oven, a propane 5-burner stovetop, and a Miele dishwasher. Loads of storage, compartments, drawers, cabinets overhead, and a light and exhaust fan over the galley stove. Freezer, very rare to find in a yacht this size, and galley up, easy to access from the Salon cockpit and Flybridge area.